Welcome back to another video of this channel. Thanks for hanging out with us. This video is also going to be about Bitcoin. We're going to analyze the Bitcoin for the short term as well as for the long term as well. So we write BTC USDT because this is the pair we trade in mostly. Okay, internet is working fine. So as we discussed in the previous video, I told you about that Bitcoin is currently it's in a range, as you can see on this screen of yours. Well, if you see currently, you would still see that it has not broken the range yet. It is still trading between the range, between the same range that I showed you in the last video. However, this time the consolidation is on the lower part of the range. As you can see that this is the lower part. This is the lower part of the range. This as well. This. So you can see like the whole day or maybe 2 days the Bitcoin continuously traded or consolidated on this same range, and at this point you can see it has taken some stop losses as well. So you just take the stop loss on this place. Like most of the people will be expecting there will be those people who trade on the ranges. Some of the traders, they are range traders, like I'm a breakout trader. There are some people who trade ranges. So if you were a range trader, what would you do? You would simply place a long entry here. You would open up a long entry and you would expect to close the entry here. That will be your target. That will be your target. But market makers, they are very smart at these things. They are good at playing such kind of games. So once you got your plan open, you got your position open on this place, what they simply did, they just wanted to hit your stop loss somewhere here. So most of the trades that were opened at this place, they will be having their stop losses somewhere around this place. So what they did, they just hit the stop loss and a wick back to the same range. So we cannot expect anything on the Bitcoin if it keeps trading on this range. We want it to have a clear direction to the one side. Either it should be to the upside or to the downside, so we can decide further about the Bitcoin. However, if you see on the RSI, you can still see that the RSI is moving up and the price is consolidating. That is a little bit of good sign, but that's not a very big sign. We need to clear this red trend line as well. That's another big resistance. And also, as discussed in the previous video, you saw that there is also a Fibonacci support level at this point as well. So if we take it to the 4 hours, we can see that I expect a bounce on the RSI hit on it at this place. And what could possibly happen is that you would just simply see it just going again back to this place. This is the point. This is the place I will be looking at. Let's move this a bit downwards. This is the place I'm looking for. This triangle. So I expect Bitcoin to keep consolidating for some more days in this place, and eventually this will be somewhere where the Bitcoin has to decide. It will be running out of options because the support and the resistance will be converging at two places. So at such places, every currency, they had to decide whether they want to move up or they want to move down. There are very good news being circulated in the market about other coins as well, so we will discuss them later, but this video is about the Bitcoin. And let's move to the daily time frame and see what is going on in the Bitcoin. You know, when you feel demotivated and you don't have no motivation, or you have some kind of trade stuck in, as you feel disappointed that why Bitcoin is not moving up, you should just probably take a deep breath, and you just need to zoom out a little bit on the things. You can see some things more clear on these bigger time frames. So let me just quickly add moving averages. Let me just check this moving average. So we're going to check this moving average. Let's make it like 200 moving average. So you can see that we are way below the 200 moving average. So this is the point. This would be a very big resistance, this area. This is $43,000, and we have 200 moving averages. And let's check 21. So talking about 21, now look at this thing. You can see that the 21 moving average, the 21 daily moving average, is exactly at the same point where you have your resistance line. So there will be a place of resistance. You will see some kind of good resistance on that place. So you need to watch out for this line. If somehow you get a break above this line, I think there is a potential chance that you might see Bitcoin on $34,000. I have written target 1 here. I would write it somewhere here. So you might see Bitcoin going to this place. However, this is something below support level. As you can see, when Bitcoin moves above this average, moving average, 21 daily moving average, you see some good rally. As you can see here, it just moved up, and you see some good pumps. You can see some good pump here as well. You can see a good one here as well, and also you can see it here. So somehow this can also just give you an idea about the overall trend of the Bitcoin. So I hope this video was informative for you, and you got a lot of knowledge from this video. And if you like the video, please make sure you are going to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.